Okay, let's have a look at the quotient rule. Now, the way the quotient rule works is if two things are being divided, let's say it's d over dx and the u and the v. U is always going to be the top one, v is always going to be the denominator. The rule states that it's a v square, and then you do v dot du over dx, and then there is a minus, and then it's a u, and then a dv over dx. This rule is known as the quotient rule. Now let's say you got a question, y equals x squared plus a 7x cubed minus 4, and at the bottom you got x5 plus a 2x, and the question is differentiate. Obviously you have to use the quotient rule. There is a way you can use a product rule, but quotient rule is quotient, much easier, so let's use that one. So here you're going to do, the top one is always a u, so you're going to say u equals x squared plus a 7x cubed minus 4, and then you do v equals x5 plus a 2x. When you differentiate this thing, you need to differentiate that one. You will get a du over a dx. If I differentiate that one, that will become a 2x plus 21x squared. The reason that 2 comes out, reduce the power by 1. Here the 3 comes out with a 7, 21, and then x to the power reduced by 1. 4, 0, constant is 0. I need to find the dv over dx. Now if you're not sure how I got this one, have a look at the previous videos. Now here I got the 5 comes out, x to the power of 4 plus 2. Now I got all these bits. Now what I need to do is, I have the u, I have the v, I have the du, and I have the dv. I need to put it back into my quotient rule equation. The quotient rule, which is that equation. So I will put it back in this equation. Now when I put it back in this equation, if I just reduce the size of that one and put it on one side. So that will become a dy over a dx, and let's do v squared first. So the v was, this bit was the v, x5, that is a v, and that is a u. Yeah. x5 plus 2x. So I'm just going to write down x to the power 5 plus a 2x. And that was, according to the rule, it says I need to do v squared. And there is a negative there as well. And then it says I have to get a v here, which is x5 plus a 2x. And then I need to get the du over dx. What is du over dx? 2x plus 21x squared. I'm putting this thing. Yeah. So 2x plus 21x squared. And do not forget there is a negative here in the quotient rule. Now I need to do the other part. The other part says u and dv over dx. U dv over dx. So u is here and dv over dx is here. So u is x squared. So I'm just copying u from here. X squared plus 7x cubed 7x cubed minus 4. And then I got the dv of dx, which is 5x4 plus 2. Once I got this one, I will see if I am able to solve it or not. What I can do is I need to multiply these things inside to simplify. So I need to multiply that thing inside to simplify. When I multiply these things inside, it will become x5 times a 2x. So I need to multiply this times that, which will give me a 10 x to the power 6, because that's x5, that's x. That times that, which will give me 21 x to the power of 7 plus now 2x. 2x times another 2x. That will give me 4x squared. And I will still put that in bracket. Minus, now I need to do that times this. So x squared times 5x4. That will be a 5x6. Remember, there is a bracket. If that was a plus sign, the bracket is not that important. But because there is a negative sign here, the bracket is crucial. It's very crucial. It will change all the signs later. X squared times 2 is 2x squared. Plus 7x cubed times that one. 7 times 5 is 35. x7. 7 times 2, so that's 14. 14x cubed. Now minus 4 times 5 is minus 20. And then x4. I'm just short of space now. Minus 4 times 8, minus 4 times 2 is minus 8. Oh, perfect. Nicely fitting. Do not forget this one, divided by the black thing here, x5. That's it. Now, okay, I missed one of the part. Thank you very much for identifying. I did this times that, I did this times that, I did this times that, but I forgot to do this times that. I forgot. So that will be, I need to create some more space now. So I'm just going to fit that one in. Now 2x multiplied by 21x squared. That will be a 42 plus 42 x cubed. And there is a negative there as well. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for that. Step, I wrote it down 10x6 plus 21, and there was a negative, so I opened the negative. When I open the negative, this sign will become a minus, 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 minus. That will become a plus. That will become a plus as well. Okay, so that will become a plus. Yep. So I will get this bit. Now I will see if I can simplify some of the bits. The denominator remains the same. x5 plus 2x. Was it a 2x or something else? It was a 2x. Yeah, 2x. 2x to the square. Now let's have a look at the things that are same. So I got here 10x6. Is there any other x6? This is x6, yeah? So 10x6 minus 5x6. I can straight away write it down as 10 minus 5 is 5x6. Yeah. Now let's have a look at the next one. Is there any with x7? So I can see, oops, sorry, not that color. 21x7. Is there any other x7? 35x7? 21x7 minus 35x7. That will give me minus 7x7. Okay. Now I will look further. I will see if there is x squared. 4x squared. Any other x squared? I can see this one is x squared. So there is no other x squared. I cannot see any other x squared. So 4x squared minus 2x squared is actually a minus 2x squared. Yeah, 4 minus 2 is minus, also plus 2, sorry. Plus 2. Yeah. Yeah. No, that's, sorry, my maths is not very good. Negative 14, yeah. I thought it was 28, yeah. Negative 14. Let me do in black. Yeah. Minus 14x squared plus 2x. Now let's have a look at the next one. Thank you for picking this up. Now I got next one is use this color 42x cube, and there is another one 14x cube. So let's add them together. So that will be plus 56x cube. Now x4, there is nothing x4, isn't it? So plus 20x4, 20x4 is on its own, plus an 8. I cannot solve them further, but what I can do is I can arrange them in a proper order. Usually the way we write is, we write in the form of, if I write that one as, this is dy over dx, that is going to be our answer now. Usually when we write it down, we write as decreasing, descending power of x. So minus 14x7, that one. Then there is a x6 plus 5x6. Is there x5? Nothing x5. x4 plus 20x4 plus 56x cube plus 2x square plus an 8. And the bottom remain the same. The denominator remain the same. And this is how we do a quotient rule.